Hello friends, how are you all? And if you are a mango lover, then this recipe is for you. Today I am going to share with you Rava Semolina mango cake that you can easily prepare at home. This is so healthy and delicious. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of semolina or suji. You can take any type of semolina, either thin or thicker in size. Take a grinding jar and then grind it into smooth fine powder. After grinding, I will show you the consistency of the semolina or suji. This is turns into fine powder. As you can see here, fine powder gives the best result while making the cake. Now transfer this suji or semolina powder into the separate bowl and set the bowl aside. Now into the grinding jar again take 1 cup of mango. I have already diced. Make sure to take the sweet mango for this recipe. Now add half cup of sugar. The quantity of sugar depends upon the sweetness of mango. Add this into the grinding jar and grind it into the smooth puree. Once the mango and the sugar mix together, check if there is any mango pieces, remove the mango pieces. Now add this mango and sugar pulp into the suji or semolina powder. Then take 1/4 cup of butter, or you can use oil. I am using oil here. Add it into this. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of room temperature milk. I am going to gradually add the milk. If I need it, I will add more. But first you have to add slowly. Give it a quick mix. Add second batch of milk. Add slowly. Give it a quick mix. We are looking for thin consistency because semolina soaks the moisture. And now only 3 tablespoons of milk left. Set this milk aside. Now cover and set this batter aside for 30 to 45 minutes and then I will show you. In between, we will prepare the cake tin. Here I have taken 6-inch cake tin. I am going to grease it with butter, but you can use oil to grease the cake tin. After greasing the cake tin, I am using whole wheat flour to dust the cake tin. You can use all purpose flour because we are making the healthy cake. So I am using whole wheat flour. Dust it from the bottom and from the edges. Preparing the cake tin is most important so that the cake is not sticky in the bottom while baking. Remove the excess and the cake tin is ready. It's been 40 minutes. The cake batter is rest. You can see it is thick. Give it a quick mix. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. On top of that, add 3 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Give it a quick mix, but with a very light hand. Do not over mix, and you have to check the flowy consistency. This is the consistency. I am adding some chopped pistachios and some chopped almonds, but you can use any dry fruits of your choice. Now mix one more time with a very light hand. Now quickly pour this batter into the prepared cake tin. Scrape off all the batter from the bowl. We don't want to waste any batter. Now tap the cake tin 2 to 3 times to remove any air bubble. Sprinkle some chopped dry fruits. Now this is ready to bake in the preheated oven at 350°F or 180°C for 40 to 45 minutes. Then I will show you. After 45 minutes, the cake is ready. I have removed it from the oven. Take a knife. If the knife comes out clean, that means the cake is perfectly baked. If it is not baked for 5 minutes, now let the cake rest for 10 minutes. After that, take a plate and put it onto the cake tin and flip the cake tin. Tap the bottom little bit so that it comes out easily. We have seen, because we have prepared the cake tin properly, the cake comes out clean, and this is a perfect, yummy, delicious mango suji cake ready. And you have noticed when I am cutting it, it is very smooth in cutting. It is not hard because we have added the exact amount of milk into the semolina or suji, and this is how the texture. Perfectly baked suji mango cake ready to serve. While baking this cake, make sure to soak the semolina batter 30 to 45 minutes and then bake it for first 40 minutes, and if needed then only bake for another 5 minutes. Enjoy this delicious mango semolina suji cake with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.